and this is for a customer. So we're just gonna get our tutorial started on this and let's see how this goes. We're gonna be using two products from Lightz. The first product is gonna be Demon Eyes and the second product is gonna be Angel Eyes. In order to install the Demon Eyes, we have to remove this entire shroud because we're trying to go behind this projector. On the back of this, there are two screws. There's one right here and the other is right here. Oh, sweet, okay. So we got this shroud removed. It's gonna be still attached. In order to get rid of this wire, there's a screw hole. Now this can go somewhere else. And now we can actually check this out. Cool. Back of the projector shrouding, we have a couple screws. We're gonna start off with these three over here. Take this guy off. Okay, next we're gonna take off these four. Here is our projector base. And also, this is your projector lens. That's how you disassemble this shroud. Okay, so we have a couple things going on here. This unit is my halos, and these units, these are the Demon Eyes. So these are the Demon Eye driver. This is like the main component. And this guy itself, this is our Demon Eye. This is what we're gonna mount onto our projector housing. Alright, so our cutoff plate, I'm going to do a little fabrication. This little square here, I'm going to make it more into a rectangle, so a little bit wider. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit, and we're just going to drill something like that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and expanded the little slot, so when I have this, nice, it fits perfectly. Alright, so I put some electrical tape around the edges, and now it's so soft, like, okay, so with the projector over here, our Demon Eye has these two mounting points, right? Now the projector has this little thing that sticks out, and this little thing that sticks out over here. We are just gonna leave it on top of this, just like so. I can put this metal plate right on top. We're just gonna align the holes and screw it on. If you look carefully over here, because of our Demon Eyes, this thing got elevated. Now there's no support here, so what I'm going to do is just add two washers in between here, and then I'm just going to screw it on. Everything is solid, everything is even and flat out. This is our projector shroud. Now let's go mount this into our low beam shroud. The wicked part is, with my phone, with the Bluetooth app, I can just control whatever it is. If I want blue, if I'm looking for like a reddish pink. And this can be installed into any headlight you can think of. PK1, PK2, FRS, GTR, and guess who can do that for you? That's right, hit me up on my Instagram right over here to have your custom lights done by me. We're gonna mount this. This is gonna be here, and if you notice, it actually lines up with these three screws. The reason why I did this was to make sure my Demon Eye fit before anything else, so I'm gonna remove one screw at a time. And here you go, with the magic of editing, we got our H11 mounted to the low beam shroud. We're gonna mount everything back inside here. Demon Eye, we're gonna put it through the low beam connector here. We're gonna put this connector on, something like that, there you go, right? Okay, we got this connected. Now, if you look past the wires, we have one long screw here, and we have another long screw there. And this point, you just wanna line it up. And you want to drill here and here. Once you're done drilling that, now let's go test our Demon Eyes to see everything is intact. If not, oh my god. I like the 7-color crossfade. This is so cool, man. Lightz, you guys are amazing. You guys seen another tutorial how to mount and black out your housing, but here it is once again. Now let's go set this up and test it out one last time. Jeez, this is such a wicked build. If my client doesn't love this, oh my god, I don't know what to do. This is a simple Demon Eye, Angel Eye, and Blackout. If you guys are looking for something like this, hit me up on my Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace!